I know not everyone has access to broadcast channels, but it's something that I've actually personally been playing around with a lot, and there's a brand new feature on channels that I think is actually really cool. There will basically be the opportunity to add a collaborator into your broadcast channel. So this can be like a special guest or an expert or someone you're going to come and ask questions to, or that's going to give advice. You can invite them into your channel to also be another person besides you that's talking in there. So when you invite someone, they're going to get something like this that says they can accept the invite or decline. And then if you were someone who accepted the invite, then you have the opportunity over here to actually chat in this broadcast channel. Still like one to many, but technically like two to many. And this is an example of like the actual moderator asking a question to the expert. I know not everyone has this yet, but I'm actually pretty into broadcast channels. Like I actually really like it. Sometimes I don't know what I should post in there, but whenever I have something, I do find that like it gets a decent amount of people actually viewing it and liking it. So I'm all for it.